Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I wish you all a very happy Diwali. So for this Diwali, I have created a very simple and wearable look, which is this right here. If you want to know how I created this, so please keep watching the full video. Let's begin. I love to moisturize my face before doing any base makeup. I'm gonna moisturize my face using Bobbi Brown Moisturizer Plus Primer. For my foundation, I'm using Color Essence HD Foundation Stick. For mixing my foundation, I'm using foundation brush. Now for the concealer, I'm using Bobbi Brown in shade Warm Honey. For the contouring, I'm using dark brown shade. Now for the blush, I'm using flushed satin shade from Colorbar. For highlighting my face, I'm using highlighter from Maybelline in shade Molten Gold. For compact, I'm using Colorbar in shade Nude Beige. My eyes, I'm gonna use green color. So for that, I'm gonna use this shade. Adding a bit of brown shade. Using an angled brush, I'm gonna apply the same color to my lower lash line as well. Adding a bit of highlighter to my eyebrow. For eyeliner, I'm using liquid eyeliner from Colorbar. For shaping my lips, I'm using lip liner from Color Essence. For lipstick, I'm using Colorbar in shade Chesapeake. Now with the mascara, I'm using Zoom and Whoosh mascara from Colorbar. For your convenience, I have listed all the products I have used in the description box below. If you want to recreate this look, so do not forget to tag me on Instagram. You will get my social links in the description box. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!